In today's digital world, almost every platform asks for your phone number. But many people wonder, can you use the same phone number for verification across multiple accounts? Let's break this down clearly and safely. Phone number verification is designed to prove that you are the real owner of the account. When you sign up, the service sends a one-time code to your phone. Once you enter that code, the system confirms that the number truly belongs to you. This helps platforms reduce fake accounts. It helps prevent fraud. It offers secure password recovery. It notifies users if suspicious activity happens. It's a simple step, but a powerful security layer. The answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no. Many social networks allow one phone number across different accounts. For example, someone may have both personal and business profiles. Email platforms like Google often let one number connect to multiple inboxes. Financial apps and banks are stricter. They usually require one number for one account to prevent fraud and identity theft. So whether you can reuse your number depends entirely on each platform's policy. Using the same number across services can be convenient. It makes account recovery easier. It allows for faster logins with verification codes. It creates less confusion managing multiple numbers. Everything stays connected and simpler to manage. However, one number for everything also creates risk. SIM swapping attacks can happen. Criminals trick carriers and take control of your number. There's a single point of failure. Lose the number, and multiple accounts may be locked. There are privacy concerns. One exposed number can connect many accounts together. Convenience is great, but only when security is not sacrificed. To stay protected, use two-factor authentication wherever possible. Don't share your number on unnecessary websites. Add backup recovery, email, authenticator apps, or security keys. Update your accounts immediately if you change numbers. Balancing security with convenience is the real key. Yes, you can often use the same phone number for verification, but always think about security first, especially for banking and sensitive accounts. For more helpful insights and guides, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.